One day, Maya showed her father to write a check. In the check, he wrote rupees 4560 as the number and 4560 in the words. Maya was surprised. She never heard something like that. She knew that this is a 4-digit number 4560, but she didn't know what her father wrote in the words in the check. Then her father said that this is the number name of that number. So she understood that this is the number name of 4560, and she became curious to learn the number names of all the 4-digit number. Now, when we learned the number names of 3-digit numbers, we show that the number names are divided into 2 parts. The first part is the digit in the hundreds place. So, the first part will be 400 because 4 is the hundreds digit. And the second part is the tens and ones digit together, that is 65. So, the second part is written as 65. Similarly, the 4-digit number has 3 parts. The first part is the digit in the thousands place. The second is the digit in the hundred place. And the third is the tens and ones digit together. So from here we have 1 in the thousands place. So this is 1000. 5 as the hundreds digit. So 500. And 2, 8 as the tens and ones digit. So this is 28. So this 4-digit number has the number name 1528. Don't think it's tough. It's actually very easy when you break it into 3 parts. So we'll do some more examples. Now, what about the number name of this number? So first, I look at the thousands digit, which is 2. So 2000. The second part is 9 in the hundreds place. So 900. And the third part is 82. So 2982 is the number name of this number. Now, what about the number name of this number 3004? We have 3 is in the thousands place. So the first part will be 3000. What do we have in hundreds digit? 0. So should we write 000? No, we never write 000s. So if we have 0 in some place, we don't write it. So the second part will not have anything. What about the third part? 0, 4. 0, 4 means only 4. So this will be 3004. So the number name will be 3004. Now, what about this number? 4, 0, 1, 0. So, there is a 4 in the thousands place. So, I have 4000. And what about the hundreds place? 0 hundreds. So, we don't write anything. What about the third part? 10. 10 means 10. So, this will be 4010. So, the number name will be 4010. Now, can you tell me the number name of this one? 5, 5, 5, 5. Well, thousands digit is 5. So, this is 5000. Hundreds digit is 5 again. So, this is 500. Tens and ones digit are 55 means 55. So, the number name is 5555. Now, what is the number name of this number? 8, 0, 0, 0. So, there is 8 in the thousands place. So, I have 8000. And what about the hundred place? 0 hundreds. So, we don't write anything. Tens and ones digit are both also 0. So, this is also 0. So, once again, we don't write anything. So, this number is simply 8000. Now, we'll take one more example. Now, can you tell me the number name of this number? 9, 9, 9, 9. Look at here. 9 is in the thousands place. So, this is 9000. Hundreds digit is 9 again. So, this is 900. Tens and ones digits are 99 means 99. So, this number is 9999. So, the number name of this number is 9999. And this is also the greatest 4-digit number. So, kids, this is how you can write number name of any 4-digit number. So, do write some 4-digit number and write their number names. Thank you.